Building a business is like gardening. Seeds take time. Bamboo takes 5 years to break soil, but grows to 90 feet in 6 weeks once it does. We've had clients for the first 90 days, there was minimal progression. And then by month 6, they make more money than everybody. Growth isn't instant, it is compounding. So, how can you integrate growth and planting seeds into your business? Well, I'm going to give you 3 steps that I use and that you might benefit from. Step number 1, plant the right seeds. Strategy beats random hustle every time. It's important that you are looking at statistics and trends so you can plant seeds that are in accordance with things that are going to be timely and advantageous to your business. Step number 2, water daily. Consistency compounds. Do something nearly every day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days a week. You'll be surprised how many people do not actually do something every single day. Very, very, very surprised. And a great way to know this is how many people have a 6-pack, how many people go to the gym 6 times a week. Now, these numbers, especially if you haven't done this kind of volume or consistency before, sound like a lot. But once you have the habit, habits are really, really strong. It's the creation of the habit that takes the time to create. Step number 3, trust the roots. Growth is happening underground before it is visible. So you need to be able to trust and invest into your processes and into your systems. I'm at a stage where our agency has grown every single month, month after month. And I'm spending more money month after month. But I understand we have now 5 account managers. Just to give you guys context, we only had 1 account manager in March of this year. Okay? So 5 account managers, which is a lot. And that's a lot of responsibility because that's just like an account manager role. There's pods that each account manager has. And some pods have 15 or 20 people. Some pods have 2 to 3 people. But basically, I understand that the more account managers I invest into and that I build up and I train and I build confidence in, the more I actually have the bandwidth to grow my company. Because I struggled to get past 30 clients without losing a bunch of clients because I didn't have any account managers. Once I added account managers, boom, 7 new clients in a week, right? So it's really important that you invest into, your company and your people, knowing that your roots are going to take care of everything for you. Okay? So if you're ready to grow your business like a bamboo tree, then DM or comment roots and our team will reach out to you.